Hello friends, it's Daryl with another repair video. This time on my Dyson handheld cordless vacuum cleaner. And I went to use it and the door on the bottom won't stay closed. It just flops open. And I looked at it and examined it very carefully. And after a little bit of working diagnostics, I found that the little tab here that catches the latch built onto the dustbin is broken. This is supposed to actually come out on an angle, have a little hook in it to catch the latch mechanism. And somehow or other, I broke it. So, no worries. Off to Amazon, where I ordered the replacement part right here for $19. And it arrived within 48 hours. It was great. Complete with new gaskets already installed and attached. And it's a pretty simple process to repair it, actually. Let me set this up right here. I'll show you the new ones. The new one's already in place, but it's pretty easy. You look at the arms on it, you can see there's two arms that stick down with them little boss tabs sticking out on each side. And those are actually the hinge pins that let it flop open and close and keep it in place. And as you can see, those hinge pins point outward from the center and go into this built-in receptacle on each side on these dog ears here. So what you do is you get a flat blade screwdriver and you press inward on the arm, this arm right here, you press your screwdriver right there where my thumbnail is, and you press inward. Press it far enough in while lifting up on the edge, this lid will pop right out. And it's the same reverse process for putting it in. What I did was I put it in on an angle. I caught one of the little round ears into the hole. I lined the other one up just above the hole, pushed on it with a flat screwdriver until it bent in and upward to drop down into this little ear here with the hole in it. And then I took my hand and snapped it the rest of the way into place. Super easy, super quick, honestly. You know, really anyone, you need a little bit of hand strength to do it, but it's not a difficult job. And let me show you what the end is supposed to look like on here. I showed you how that was broke off flat. Well, there's what it's supposed to look like in profile. So, let me see, we'll get the broken one up here and we'll compare them for you. Alright, there we go. We've got the arm sticking up. And this one here we have no arm sticking up, just a broken little flat piece coming out here. So this whole little tang here broke off. But now it's replaced and fixed. It cost $19 and was here in 2 days. And listen to that nice satisfying click as it pops back into place. And the little Dyson handheld vac is ready to roll again. This here's the part I got, $19 on Amazon. There's a link below. Click on that if you need this part, and you can do it yourself and save some money and keep your machine working. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.